Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to check and fix issues on Samsung Galaxy phone. Alright guys, let's get started. First of all, we can open our settings application on our Samsung Galaxy phone, and here we have to go to the device care setting. Click on this device care and click on diagnostics. Alright, and you just need to wait for a moment until the loading process has completed, and after that you can click on phone diagnostics. Alright, and here you can select a function or some function that you want to run the test on. You can also click on test all if you want to check and fix issues on all the functions on your Samsung Galaxy phone. And for instance, I'm gonna go with my battery status. So I'm just going to click on battery, and okay, my battery status is still normal. And then we can click on test again if we want to run the test one more time on this function. Alright guys, and that's how we can check and fix issues on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.